this product is the magic that you need for your whiteheads. I was only dependent on this serum to get rid of my whiteheads, and it was working until, and I have not seen like a single whiteheads happening on my nose.
Our hearts wide open, love, hold me close. Can we pause this moment?
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. Today I thought why not to shoot some different sort of video, basically helpful video for all of you who are struggling from whiteheads, especially on their nose, just like me. It took me like years and years to actually understand how to get rid of them, how to prevent them for longer time, but I finally managed to stay away from them. They do appear again, but I tried to manage them properly so that my nose is always clean from those white bumps. For the very first time when I noticed that I have whiteheads was in 11th grade. At that time I didn't know what they are. I was literally like that I'm gonna get rid of it automatically. I didn't know that why they were happening, and I thought there might be some sort of reaction from a food, or I have no idea what it was. Then I started noticing that they are not going away, and the only easiest option I could find was scrubbing my nose. So I was actually using that Everyuth face scrub. Then I came in college and I thought of doing something about it. So I started getting cleanup, and I used to analyze all the process that was involved in that cleanup process, which was basically first getting steamed on my nose, and they used to scrub my nose. Then they used this tool of whiteheads and blackheads, which I also have. This part is for the blackheads and this one is for whiteheads. This is actually an amazing tool, but you should know how to use it correctly. Then they used to give me like a proper massage on my face, and lastly a face mask used to come. So this overall procedure used to give me a glow along with getting rid of those whiteheads. When I first got this process done, I thought, okay, I have finally got rid of the whiteheads. But I think after a week or two I started having them again on my nose, and it was so frustrating because whenever you touch your nose it feels like something, you know, rubbing, something very bumpy and weird sort of thing that you feel on your nose, especially at this part that used to have. Currently my nose is so clean because I've worked so much on this, and my overall skincare is only and only based around my whiteheads. So I only use product that makes me get rid of it and prevent it for the longer period of time. So I cannot get cleanup like every freaking month. So I used to get them like after every 4 months. I didn't really want to get into that process because I felt like my overall skin was good. I just need to treat my whiteheads, and for that I cannot get cleanup every time. So I was completely relied on that one product, which is the Everyuth Grub. Later on I understood that I need to have like a good solution. It can actually help me maintain a clear nose for at least 3 weeks or a month. And guess what? I have a procedure with me, and I think I finally cracked it around 4 months back. Firstly, I believe that things you need to consider before started using a new product is to have that area totally clean. Whenever I'm testing a product, I try to have like a clean nose. So if I'm using certain sort of cream or certain sort of gel, I first get my nose cleaned. For that, what you need to do is first, it is very important to use steam machine for your nose so that your whiteheads can get active and your skin becomes smooth, so that you can easily get rid of those whiteheads without scrubbing your nose. At times when I get steam, I also remove my whiteheads with my hands only, and it is so easier to, you know, literally plug them out. A proper steam is important, so I got it. I have a little bit on my chin area as well, and basically maximum of it on my nose, and especially this part, which I feel like has to be clean because it starts looking darker if I do not maintain my overall process. Whenever I'm done with the steam, now it's time to use this product. So this one is basically for the whiteheads, and you need to press it in a way that it will remove your existing whiteheads with one glide. So you'll see how the dirt is actually coming out from this tool. So I'm gonna use it until I feel like I've not removed it properly, and then I'm gonna properly wash my face with a face wash, which is like, I usually go with salicylic face wash again. So all maximum of my products are around salicylic acid based products. So what I do is I wash my face with this product. It does not cause any irritation or any sort of dryness on my face. So this face wash is also good for your daily purpose as well. Now once I've got done with my face wash, now it's time for a mask. This again is a salicylic based mask. So this is a clay based mask and I've been using it for almost a year now, and it is so good for, you know, literally soothing my skin, especially my nose, which is literally so clean because of the mask. I try to use it once in a week, but if I don't have any active whiteheads, I avoid it. I use it after 2 weeks. I basically keep the mask for almost 12 to 15 minutes, and then I literally clean it up with a very soft sort of towel or a handkerchief that you have, which is not harsh on your skin and very soft. So when I remove it also, it makes me feel so good and I'm getting rid of that mask. Also the mask causes very little bit of irritation, but it also has that sort of coldness on your face when you apply it. So I feel this mask is also good for my overall skin, not only for my nose and chin area. Therefore I apply it on my full face, and I don't use any sort of mask since I'm using this one. After clearing up the mask, I keep my skin like as it is for 10 minutes. I don't use any sort of products, and after that I go in with my usual go-to serum, which I've been using since 2-3 years now, which is again a salicylic based serum. This one is from Minimalist that I use right now, and it is so good. I mean, earlier when I was not using any sort of cream, I was only dependent on this serum to get rid of my whiteheads, and it was working until 6 months back. It stopped working for me, so I have to look after another product, but I still use it because it is good for my overall face. That's why I go in with this. So I apply like a vehicle formula of the serum on my nose right now because I have to use a gel as well after this. Once I've done with my serum, now it's time to, and then I wait for 5-7 minutes again, and it's time for a good sunscreen to layer it up. And I think after an hour, I use this particular gel that I've used it in the video, which is the Sebo gel. And this product is the magic that you need for your whiteheads. Started using this product somewhere at the end of the November or the start of December. So what I did was I continuously used this product after cleaning my nose, and I have not seen like a single whiteheads happening on my nose for like literally 7 days consistently. And later on I've seen that for 2-3 weeks I have literally maintained my nose without any whiteheads. So this is the product that you need to have for your whiteheads. Any other product that I use, you might not need that necessarily, but if you want to maintain like a simple, if you want to maintain a process and keep your nose away or keep your face away from whiteheads, then I feel like the star product is the Sebo gel. It is not only for whiteheads, it is also for your blackheads. Along with that, the product also says that you can use it for your acne and pimples. So I don't have acne and pimple issue, but if you're someone looking for any such product, I feel like you should try this one. What the product does is, after I've applied this product, it makes my nose a little bit dry, which is absolutely important because whenever you're having whiteheads or blackheads, it usually happen on the oily parts. So this chin part is also oily, this particular part is also oily, and it is very important for a product to make it dry because then only the whiteheads will not occur. So the process that I shared right now, I usually use this process once a month or twice a month whenever I have lot of active whiteheads, which is literally troubling me. Firstly, it's a pharmacy-based gel. For me personally, pharmacy-based products have been more effective, and I'm trying like some of the new ones, and I will definitely share with you all. But currently, this is how I got rid of my whiteheads. This is the process that I use for twice, or likewise I shared once in a month or twice in a month. But what is the daily process that you need to do for your whiteheads? What you need to do is, I try to use this product twice in a day, but even if I skip, I make sure that I use this product at least once at night. I usually don't use any sort of skincare right now at night, so I just use like a thin layer of this product and I just sleep. Or if I'm using it twice, then I use it once in the morning after taking shower. Whenever I'm using salicylic for my face, I use Sebo gel for my nose, and at night or in the evening, however you want to use it. But you have to be consistent with this product. I will not say that use it like thrice in a week, I will say use it freaking daily, because that's when you're gonna see the result. And it took me years. I think it took me almost 6-7 years to literally finally figure out what will work out for these sebum based whiteheads. Also, whenever you are using your face wash, which is the one that I'm using right now, salicylic one, try to use that face wash and gently rub your nose whenever you are washing your face, so that any sort of active or any sort of whiteheads which are about to happen can get removed easily within that process. And you just need to apply your gel after that, and that's how you can get like a clear skin, especially on your nose and if you have whiteheads on these areas, because it has worked out for me so well. Matlab, you can see there are no such active whiteheads right now. Like, there are very minor whiteheads that I can see right now. Other than that, I have finally cracked the code to get rid of them. So yeah, this was the video that I wanted to share of how my journey has been with my whiteheads, and how you can also prevent them with such an easy, affordable range of products. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, or if you want me to, you know, make certain sort of video which targets certain area, then you can just comment it down. I'm also working on my, you know, dark circles. If that works out for me, I will definitely make a video on that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.